I'm using 400 grams. So what we need to do is bring them to a boil. Now these peas have come to a boil, add a teaspoon of salt and then a teaspoon of sugar. And we'll give that a good mix. Now we've got to play a waiting game. So basically you want to turn these down to a simmer, then wait until the peas start to break down. Keep your eye on it and give it a stir every now and again. So now you can see these peas are starting to break down as that water evaporates around it. Also, while you're doing this, you might see a residue starting to build up on top. That's perfectly normal. All you need to do is just skim the top and take it away. So we'll leave these for a little bit longer. If you get to this consistency and you're not getting as much pea juice as you'd want, just add a little more water to it. And that's boiling water. Don't put cold in it. And then just carry on reducing. So depending on how you like your mushy peas, for me personally, I like to still have a bit of pea juice in them. So for me, they're done. So we'll just pop these in a bowl. And for me, they're perfect.